Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Slack versus Notion. We will explore their core functionalities, examine how they facilitate team collaboration and integration, and discuss their respective pricing structures. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of which platform is better suited for your specific workflow, whether your priority is instant communication or comprehensive knowledge management. This guide aims to provide practical insights for your decision-making process. Slack is built for dynamic, real-time conversations, allowing teams to communicate efficiently through dedicated channels and direct messages. It supports quick file sharing and voice or video calls, making it ideal for immediate interactions. Notion, on the other hand, offers a versatile canvas for creating detailed documents, managing complex projects with customizable databases, and building comprehensive wikis. It's designed for organizing information and workflows in a highly structured manner. When it comes to integration, Slack truly shines with its vast ecosystem, connecting seamlessly with thousands of popular business applications to centralize notifications and actions. Notion, while also offering integrations, emphasizes internal collaboration through shared pages, linked databases, and real-time co-editing of documents. Teams can work together on projects, share knowledge, and manage tasks within a unified, highly customizable environment, promoting a cohesive workflow for content and data. Both platforms provide free tiers, allowing you to explore their basic functionalities. For more advanced features, Slack's paid plans usually start at approximately $7.25 per user per month, billed annually. Notion's paid options typically begin around $8 per user per month, also billed annually. Ultimately, if your team prioritizes rapid communication and external tool integration, Slack is an excellent choice. However, for comprehensive knowledge management, project tracking, and flexible content creation, Notion stands out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.